Hello, welcome to Tiny Planet's YouTube channel. We are Sophia and Dennis, the founders of Tiny Planet, a van conversion company that specializes in creating elaborate, homey, and voguish designs. Today, we are going to give you a peek inside our chic Mercedes Sprinter 170. This conversion was inspired by the beauty of American deserts and the luxury of European hotels. Our Boho desert van build has been one of the most desirable for our customers. The space features luxury materials such as marble tiles, gold fittings, and custom color-changing lights, providing the ambiance of a five-star hotel. We curated the space with minimalist interiors, beautiful pampas grass, and wicker tiles. Warm shades of sand and white complement the natural wood and provide a cozy feel for the space. This van build has everything you need in just 84 square feet. From the living room to a full-size kitchen, we have it all. Amenities include a shower, toilet, wardrobe, and bed. In this video, we will jump into the details and break down the best features of the Boho desert van. We are proud to present one of the most innovative features of our van, the bathroom. Starting with the shower, we installed a sliding roll-up door, beautiful marble vinyl tiles, and a sleek wooden floor palette. To provide a spa-like experience, we added a mist shower head and a slatted wood ceiling fully integrated with the multicolored LED lights. Now, you may be wondering, but where is the toilet? For optimal space, we cleverly hid it inside the shower stall. We designed a unique pull-out toilet system to ensure that the toilet would stay out of the way but still be convenient to access. People have praised our design as genius. Push to open the door and pull the toilet. Just 2 movements to transform the shower stall into a toilet room. We used heavy-duty rails which can hold up to 550 pounds and allow the toilet to smoothly slide out of its hidden compartment. Our bathroom solution provides everything you need to be comfortable. No compromises necessary. This is a waterless toilet with 2 containers and a ventilation system that eliminates any smells and also serves as an exhaust against humidity in the bathroom. We conveniently attach the toilet paper inside the pull-out door to ensure it never gets wet. We included a versatile dining table. Thanks to our convenient swivel driver's seat, 2 people can use the table to comfortably eat or work together. Moving on to the spacious kitchen area, which features a 2-burner induction stove, a deep quartz sink, gold-finished faucet, and an elegant hexagon backsplash. Our countertop provides plenty of space, and to optimize it further, we installed a foldable table extender. The table, in combination with the swivel passenger seat, adds an additional area for a guest. The upper cabinets and bottom drawers provide ample storage for everything that would be found in a regular-sized kitchen, and anything you would like to bring while you are on the road. We installed a 3.3 cubic feet refrigerator, thoughtfully placed at eyesight position for easy access. This fridge is big enough to store food for up to 1 week. Just below the refrigerator, we built in a wardrobe clothing rack, perfect for some of your clothing pieces. Another convenient feature of this van is its large 3-compartment pantry. The pantry is 5 inches wide, but surprisingly allows for lots of storage. 1 compartment can be used for food, seasonings, oil, and wine. Another would be great for cosmetics, chargers, electronic devices, and other personal small items. The third part of the pantry even serves as a step to access the bed easily. Speaking of the bed, we maximize the width of the bed space by installing a capsule on the side, which fits a full-size 6'4" mattress, feasible for most people. Underneath the bed, a panel door connects your living space to the garage, providing easy access to anything in the back. By leaving this door open, you can even carry longer equipment items like surfboards or skis. This van is designed to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures with our installations of the Cruise and Comfort air conditioning system, a Max Air fan, and the Webasto diesel heater. Cruise and Comfort is a powerful marine-grade 12-volt AC unit. It is the most efficient among competitors for its low power consumption. It can work continuously for 12 to 15 hours on a fully charged 600 ampere-hour battery. We placed air diffusers in strategic locations to provide separate cooling for the bedroom and the living room. The Webasto diesel heater can warm up the van in just a few minutes, creating the cozy feel of a home. Since the Webasto uses diesel from the main tank of the van, it eliminates the need for a separate tank. We installed a multi-zone, multi-color light dimming system inside the van, which can be controlled with a wireless remote control and a display above the sliding door. The system offers 4 separate light zones that you can dim, change to multiple colors, turn on, off separate zones, or use zones altogether with the use of one button. Additionally, on the exterior, we added a 360-degree dimmable LED light bar, which can be used for parking at night in dark areas and for camping. Fiamma awning provides shade and shelter from the sun and rain, creating an outdoor living space. In the garage of the van, you can find the electrical panel, water system, and storage space for your luggage or bicycles. The van's electrical system is fully self-sufficient. The van has a 600 ampere-hour lithium-ion phosphate battery pack, providing enough power to live off the grid for up to 3 days. This allows the use of the induction stove, water heater, and 110-volt outlets with no charge. However, the van does have 3 sources of charge. A 420 watt of solar power can fully recover power expenses on sunny days. DC to DC chargers charge the battery while the engine is running. Shore power allows you to connect to any outlet and charge the battery. We incorporated the best marine industry devices by Victrol for our electrical system. It can manage all your devices and display battery status with the use of a smartphone application. There is a switch in the kitchen on the backsplash, which can be used to turn on either the induction stove or the water heater to prevent overloading the electrical system. There are plenty of electrical sockets located in the van. Most locations have 2 powerful USB and Type-C sockets. Let's break down the van's water features. On the van, we have a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a 20-gallon gray water tank. The electric valve on the gray tank allows you to empty water without having to go outside. The freshwater tank has some great features like being easily refillable and its vent hose, which can double as an overflow to prevent flooding. There is also a 2.5-gallon Bosch water heater, perfect for a long hot shower. The water typically lasts 3 to 4 days with 2 showers every day and dishwashing after each meal. In the back of the van, there is an outdoor shower perfect for washing your dog or cleaning mountain bikes and surf equipment. The shower has hot water, making it possible to take comfortable showers outdoors. We built a sturdy roof deck on top of the van made with premium composite boards that provide the perfect lookout spot for watching sunsets, starry skies, and admiring nature's beauty. At Tiny Planet, we ensure our vans will make you feel homey, safe, and prepared for your next travel adventures on the road. We carefully create elaborate, homey, and voguish designs that provide a unique travel experience. The comfort and quality of the Boho Desert Van can empower you to enjoy Mother Nature anytime, anywhere, without interrupting your daily routine. Owning this van will give you a new sense of freedom and flexibility to discover yourself, explore new places, indulge in your passions, cherish quality time, immerse in the beauty of nature, and cultivate mindfulness. This is an opportunity that we all need. There is no better time to start your van life journey than now.